This is how my birds act when they're not outside because it's windy outside, so they hate wind. But let's see how they're behaving. I was upstairs and they were like, beep, 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 beep. Give us attention. Now that I can hear my voice, they're just calm, like angels. Good morning. What's going on here? What is going on here? Is everybody doing good? What happened? You guys were screaming. I don't see nothing bad with you guys. You have big cages. You can fly. You have lots of toys. Food and water, treats. Well, treats no, because I like to feed you with the treats. It looks like everybody's fine. What happened? I was upstairs and everybody were complaining. What happened here? You just want the attention? What have things to do? Excuse me. What happened here? Oh my goodness, look at all this mess. Who did that? Luna, it looks like a big dropping. Are you pregnant, Luna? Are you pregnant? I see a big dropping. Look at the big droppings. That's, and Luna likes to sleep here on this letter, on this one. That's Luna's. I don't know if she's pregnant or not, but I see big droppings. But she's always fighting with. I'm not gonna get mad, Luna. Are you pregnant? Luna, are you pregnant? Please answer me. Say yes or no. Move your head. If you move your head, means yes. Are you ashamed of yourself? Huh, Luna? You know your name, huh, Luna? Luna? Luna, are you pregnant? You look suspicious, Luna. Did you do that big droppings? Are you pregnant? I'm not gonna get upset. Just tell me so I can prepare it. Well, you have a house already for birdies, but let me know, please, if you're pregnant. Can you give me a sign? Like, can you say beep, 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 beep? Luna? All right. Promise you let me know? Okay. So while you walking away, are you ashamed of yourself? Excuse me, miss. Yeah, these birds are desperate to go out. I'm gonna put them, the wind is not that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna put them outside. You guys want to be outside? Let's go outdoors? Okay. You guys want to be outside? Say yes or no. You guys okay here? Oh, you guys want to be outside? All right. Luna, this conversation, what did you just say to me? Yes? You just said yes, Luna, you're pregnant? Charlotte, right away he comes. Like, if I'm asking him to come over. Luna? Luna? Pretty bird. Cute baby. Hopefully you know what to do with those babies. Charlotte? Charlotte, are you in trouble? Look at me. I know you can hear me, Charlotte. Turn your head. Don't ignore me, Charlotte. I'm talking to you, Charlotte. Charlotte? Excuse me, Charlotte? Charlotte. I'm calling you, Charlotte. Did you do something? Are you gonna be a father? Oh, you're not scared, huh? You're ready? You know what to do then? All right, Charlotte. 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 Don't ignore me, Charlotte. I see big droppings there, so I don't know if it's Luna or, no, not you. I think it's Luna, so be good, okay, guys? I'm gonna put you outside.